This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you use QuickBooks Online and want to track time in QuickBooks Time, you can connect them to send timesheets into your online account for invoicing, reporting, and other accounting needs. Let's go over how to set up the integration, adjust the settings, and perform a sync. You can start the integration from your QuickBooks Online account. In QuickBooks Online, go to Apps. Then search for QuickBooks Time. Select Get App Now. Now, you can set up your time tracking preferences in QuickBooks Online. Go to Settings, then Account and Settings, then Time. Be sure to select your first day of the work week so hours can be calculated correctly, and then select what information you would like to appear on timesheets. Now, you can set everything up in QuickBooks Time. In QuickBooks Online, select Get Paid and Pay, then Time. Then select Launch QuickBooks Time. Note your navigation may look like this. In QuickBooks Time, select QuickBooks and then Preferences. Here, select the items that you want to import from QuickBooks Online to QuickBooks Time, like customers, service items, and vendors. Your team members will always be added to QuickBooks Time. Additions and changes in QuickBooks Online will automatically import into QuickBooks Time every 1 minute. The sync log will display Auto next to the automatic imports. You can also manually import your changes in the QuickBooks dropdown and select Import. Don't forget to set up your payroll and overtime settings. Once your integration is set up, you can invite your team members to track time. Then, once time is tracked, you can export approved timesheets into QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Time, select QuickBooks, then Export All Approved Time. When the Proceed with Export window displays, select Export All Hours. You can then view the exported timesheets in QuickBooks Online. Select Get Paid and Pay, then Time to open time entries. You can also manage time here, and the changes will update in QuickBooks Time. Now you know how to integrate your QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online accounts.